It's a great day for a drive, especially in a 2021 Ranger ROUSH in black with black leather interior, seating for 5, 4 doors, and a 5-foot box. It has a headache rack, as you can see, as well as a nice spray-in line box and running boards, navigation, reverse camera, and it has a 2.3 liter EcoBoost engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. It's got the ROUSH badging, and you also have a nice little surprise inside. There is a safe in the center console, but there's something underneath the seats in the rear. Stay tuned. We're going to have a look under the hood, inside and out, and I'll reveal what that little surprise is. And if you like this vehicle and would like to take it out on a test drive, you can book it online at islandford.ca. It's a 2.3-liter 4-cylinder engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. Let's have a look inside. Through the door, as well as power windows, locks, and mirrors. And the driver's seat is powered with lumbar, and you've got these nice ROUSH seats with the ROUSH badging and stitching. Very lovely. And all-weather mats on the floor. You've got your lighting controls, high mount light, your mirror controls are there, and you've got a running board just making it easier to get in. On the face of the steering wheel, we have our dash controls, adaptive cruise control, volume with the ability to turn it up and down, and you've got hands-free dialing. And then we're going to start up the vehicle. You're going to see any important messages, the odometer reading, and the menu will be there as well. We can go in there and choose whichever item we would like, and they all have sub-menus. And in the center, little cubby up top, we've got our nice display screen here. We're going to go into our audio, choose our sources, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, as well as Bluetooth. We can go into climate. You're going to see the dual climate control come up, the AC rear defrost, and then we can go into navigation. Our map is going to come up, then you choose your destination, and in settings you can go in there and slide through for different options, whatever you'd like. You've got Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. You can change the look of the display screen, and this is where we're going to see our backup camera view. So as we put it in reverse, right off the back here, we've got our center line, green, yellow, red, just how close we are to other objects or vehicles. Going to put us back in a park. There's your hazard lights, volume, and tuner, and then down below you have your dual climate control and your fan, and then you've got your front defrost, rear defrost, AC and max AC, and you also have heated seats. You see this one's lit up for the passenger, so you just press on it to turn down or up the heat as wanted. And then down below you got a couple of USB outlets. You've also got 12 volts on either side, so lots of places to plug in and connect. And then you've got your hill descent, auto stop start for less idle time, your rear locking differential, your tow haul, parking sensors, and traction control, automatic select shifter. And then we also have our 4x4 and terrain management, or the terrain mode. So there's normal, and then press again, grass, gravel, snow, mud ruts, and sand. So depending on the weather, the road conditions, where you want to go, what you're doing, you can choose different terrain modes. Got a couple of cup holders, your emergency parking brakes right beside you, and just unclip for your armrest, and you've got a little safe in here. And then off to the side is a glove compartment, grab handle in the body, and up top we have an auto dimming rear view mirror, our lighting controls, and we have a sunglass holder. 18-inch wheels, running board, black door handle, and driver's side capless easy fuel gas filler. You've got that headache rack that you're seeing up top there, and you also have your backup camera just below your Ford badge, backup sensors on your bumper, 4 and 7-pin connector, trailer hitch with the ball hitch, and locking spare tire. And then when you want to open it up, simply pull the latch. Got a nice spray-in liner, tie downs in all 4 corners, and when you're ready, just close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob, you have remote start. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows, and you also have power locks. There's seating for 3, and you've got the armrest in the center with a couple of cup holders. We're going to pop that up. This is a bench seat, so you just have to pull the tab. There's one on either end, but you only need to pull one. And then you have a nice little surprise here. You've got a little safe as well as storage. And then just bring it down, all weather mats on the floor, slim pockets on the back of the front seat, USB outlets and 110. Up top is the dome lighting. You've got hooks and handles off to the side, and in the back, access to a sliding window as well as rear defrost. Trailer hitch in the rear, headache rack, spray-in line box, it's 5 feet, privacy glass in the back windows, adjustable side view mirrors with blind spot information system, auto high beams, fog lights, tow hooks, and many more reasons to visit us. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe. We have plenty to share with you, and we'd love to hear your comments.